Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the industrial stoichiometry and also MABC material and energy balance consumptions. Unit number 6 energy balance. So first of all the basic fundamentals જોઈશું આપણે introduction part, some definitions અને some equations. પછી આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરથી. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. એનર્જી ઇઝ ધ capacity यानी कि ability to of a body to do the work. Okay, energy is the capacity or ability of a body to do the work, and the defined as be classified the one by one point regarding this one forms the of energy related to the system. This include energy possessed by material of the system, and the kinetic energy, potential energy, flow, pressure energy, internal energy, surface energy and magnetic energy ના બેઝિસ પર છે. તો કઈ કઈ એનર્જી લાગે છે? ફ્રોમ ઓફ ધ એનર્જી રિલેટેડ ટુ ધ સિસ્ટમ, ધીસ ઇન્ક્લુડેડ એનર્જી possessed by the material of the system, kinetic energy, potential energy, flow, pressure energy, internal energy, surface energy and magnetic energy. Now the forms of energy associated with the process, these include energy produced or transferred by this processing, heat and work na basis par છે. Kinetic energy, it is the energy which is a substance per body possessed by virtue of this its motion relative to the some references of plan. Potential energy, it is the energy that a substance is possessed by the virtue of its positions in relation to some datum plan. This basis, the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy of a body it is the energy which is the substance of body and some possessed by the virtue of its motion relative to the some references plan. Okay, it is the energy which is the substance of the body, some possessed by virtue of its motion relative to some references plan. The potential energy, it is the energy that a substance is some possessed by the virtue of its positions in relation to some datum plan. And the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy of a body is called the mechanical energy of the body. The sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy of a body is called a mechanical energy of the body. And the flow, pressure energy, it is the energy which is the substances some possessed by the virtue of the space it occupies. It is the product of the pressure and volume, and it's associated with the flowing a stream under the pressure out. Okay. Now the regarding of this material basis, it is the energy which is the substances some flow and pressure energy na basis par છે, by virtue of this spaces occupies. It is the product of the pressure and volume, and it's associated with the flowing streams under this pressure, and it is the energy which is the substances possessed by the virtue of this relative the position and motion of its molecules. Heat, it is the energy it in a transits between the hot source and cold receiver. Heat is from the energy which is the flows from one body to another body as a result of differences in a temperature. Okay, the driving force of the product transform of internal energy is transferred as temperature and from energy which is transferred from a hot end body to the cold body as a result of differences in a temperature. In terms of heat in a mechanism, work done by a force is defined as the product of the forces also and their distance moved in the directions of the applied forces. It is that form of energy which flows as a result from driving force a force, a torque, or a voltage. For example જોઈએ તો steam in a cylinder part expand and moves pistons against restoring force. The steam does not work the positions ના basis પર. ઓકે સિમ્પલી વર્ક કોને કહેવાય ને ડિસ્કશન આપ્યું છે. એનો યુનિટ છે ન્યૂટન ઇન્ટુ મીટર જૂલ. ઓકે અર્ગ બી લઈ શકો ડાયનેમિક ઇન્ટુ સેન્ટીમીટર. The exchanger of energy between a system and surrounding occurs either as a heat of reactions, heat of work. These and from the energy are dependent on these three processes. Okay, now thus industries ના basis પર જોઈશું આપણે some point. First okay, industrially thermal or electrical energy indirectly is produced by the combustion of a solid, liquid or gaseous fuel. One has to be very cautious during the production and utilization system of the energy, as its wastage lead to reduced profit. The energy requirement of process can be calculated by the making energy balancings cover the entire process or a process unit in the much of the same way as we write material balancing and energy balance of the system account for the total amount of energy entering, leaving and accumulated within the system. Okay, heat is a form of energy that flows from a higher temperature to a lower temperature also, and the unit of heat is SI, MKS and CGS system are joule. Okay, is a kilo calories and the calorific values in the thermochemical processes. Okay, the 4.184 joule ના બેસિસ પર છે અને 1 calories international steam labels is equal to the 4.1868 per joule છે. Now the defined calorific values as the quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of the 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius in the vicinity of the 15 degree Celsius in this book, and the terms of the energy enthalpy and the heat of use the theoretical energy. Okay, now the law of conservation of mass. Heat capacities of specific heat. First of all the heat capacities and specific heat. Then gaseous mixture and solid mixture માટે જોઈશું આપણે. This is the caloric defined quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius in vicinity of 15 degree Celsius is calorific value of a law of conservation of mass. The basis of energy balance of a particular process in the law of conservation of mass energy instead that the energy can either be created nor destroyed during a processes, although it can be converted from one form to another, or the total energy of an isolated system remain constant. And this law is also called the first law of thermodynamics. According to this unit, and the total amount of energy entering any system must be exactly equal to that leaving the plus any accumulations within the system, or when a system gains or losses energy, it must be exactly equal to the loss from the gain energy of by the surrounding this process. Okay, heat capacities of the gaseous mixture and liquid solid. Sensible heat changing in the enthalpy changing આવશે, some derived relation આવશે, has law and some calculation part. Now the flow processes. Now this some flow processes જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, now flow. It is the which system material continuously entire the leaf system. Non-flow માટે બે જ પ્રોસેસીસ છે. It is the one which is the intermediate is the character and wherein the no material streams enter the leaf continuously during the course of operations. While doing a general energy balancing of a flow or a continuous processing, it is convenient to use a unit time of operations. As a basic example, 1 hour in case of a non-flow or batch processes from the convenient basis in a one cycle operations. This is the general formations છે એનર્જી બેલેન્સના પ્રોસિજર માટે જોઈ લો. Assume a suitable basis of calculations, draw a block diagram, determine the quantity of flow rates, all stream components with the help of the material balancing, determine the enthalpies each system, component entering and leaving part if a chemical reactions na basis પર છે. This is a simple point. Okay, now energy balance and closed system. A system is said to be open that the mass crosses simply reactions આપ્યું છે. એનર્જી બેલેન્સની ઇક્વેશન્સ પર જોઈ લો તમે ખાસ. આટલી વસ્તુ તમારે ખાસ ધ્યાન આપવાની છે. ધીસ વન energy balance equations for a closed system is a final system energy is equal minus initial energy is equal to net energy transferred to the system ના બીજી પ્રાવ છે. Okay, energy transferred is equal to the Q plus W and the initial system energy is equal to U1 plus EK1 plus EP1 and a final system energy U2 plus EK2 plus EP2 આવશે. The reference is the final equation is there, this one. U2 minus U1 plus EK2 minus EK1 plus EP2 minus EP1 is equal to Q plus W and del U plus del EK plus del EP is equal to Q plus W. Okay, the energy balance for open system આપણે કઈ સિસ્ટમ જોઈએ? ક્લોઝ સિસ્ટમ જોઈએ અને ઓપન સિસ્ટમ. Energy balance for a closed system. Okay, steady state open system માટે ઇક્વેશન છે ઇનપુટ એનર્જી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આઉટપુટ એનર્જી. ઓકે, તો એના માટેનું ઇક્વેશન્સ છે કયું? ધીસ વન જોઈ લો ખાસ. Q plus W plus summation E1 is equal to summation E2. ઓકે, તો W is equal to શું આવશે? W is equal to WS soft work આવશે પ્લસ ફ્લો વર્ક આવશે. તો આ ઇક્વેશન્સને તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું રહેશે ડીઝ વન ટુ ડીઝ વન સુધી. સોફ્ટ વર્ક અને ફોર વર્ક. E1 is equal to U1 plus EK1 plus EP1. E2 is equal to U2 plus EK2 plus EP2. Now it is V is the volumetric flow rate per unit mass and P is the process pressure of the system museum. Okay, WF is equal to the summation P1 V1 minus E P2 V2 and WF is the P times V of all the input streams, the minus P times V of all the output stream also. ઓકે, તો બધાને તમારે એડ કરી નાખવાના કમ્બાઇન સિસ્ટમ સાથે. રિએક્શન્સને તમારે આ ખાસ યાદ રાખવાનું છે. એટલે લાસ્ટ ઇક્વેશન્સ તમને કયું મળશે? આઈરુવા EH2 માઇનસ EH1 ઓપન સિસ્ટમ અને ક્લોઝ સિસ્ટમ માટેની ધીસ ઇઝ મેથડ છે. કેમ કે H ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ U પ્લસ PV યાદ રાખવાનું એન્થાલ્પી માટે. H ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ U પ્લસ PV. ઓકે, નાવ ધ ફોર ધ માસ M ઓર માસ ફ્લો રેટ M ઇક્વેશન 6.30 ના બેઝિસ પરથી તમને ઇક્વેશન્સ મળશે આઈરુવા. ઓકે, ધીસ વન. હવે સેન્સિબલ હીટ અને હીટ કેપેસિટી આપણે ઇક્વેશન્સ જોવાના છે. કે સેન્સિબલ હીટ કેપેસિટી કોને કહેવાશે? ઇટ ઇઝ ધ અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ ધ હીટ રિક્વાયર્ડ and the amount of the heat increases the 1 of kg of the substance by the 1 Kelvin and heat capacity is generally expressed on a unit mass or unit mole basis per આવશે. When it is expressed on the mole basis per આવશે, this is a simple unit. Specific heat કોને કહીશું? It is the ratio of the heat capacity of a particular substances to that of water and the heat capacity of a substance is expressed mathematically. C is equal to dq by dt. C is equal to dq by dt આવશે. and heat capacity is the two types. Heat capacity of the constant volume Cv is equal to dq by dt, dq is equal to Cv into dt આવશે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈશું નેક્સ્ટ થિયરી. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, हीट कैपेसिटी याद रखो. It is the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 kg of a substance by 1 Kelvin. Heat capacity is generally expressed on a unit mass or unit mole basis. When it is expressed on the unit mole basis, it is termed as molal per molar. Heat capacity is denoted by the symbols. See, it has the unit of kg per kilomole into Kelvin. For pure water, heat capacity is 4.1855 kg per kg into Kelvin, and 288 Kelvin into 15 degrees Celsius per hour. Thank you so much.